To convert BTC to USDT on Mexc Global, start by locating the App Store on your device. Then swipe until you find it and open it up. At the bottom row of the App Store, you'll see options such as Today, Games, Apps, Arcade, and a search button. Click on the search button. This will take you to a search bar where you need to type in Mexc. One of the first options that will pop up is Mexc. Buy and sell Bitcoin. So click on that and download the app. Once the app is downloaded, exit the App Store and find the Mexc app on your device. Then open it up. It's recommended that you log in using your login information, which can be found at the top left corner. From there, you'll see options such as Home, Markets, Trade, Futures, and Wallet. Go to Trade, and at the top left, you'll see Mexc USDT. Click on that. You'll then see options like Favorites, Main, and a search bar. Type BTC into the search bar, and you'll see the option BTC USDT along with its current value. The value of BTC in USDT will be displayed on the right side of the screen.